Hi there, good morning. It's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today is currently Saturday, October 2nd, which means it's fall break weekend. This is what I'm going to be doing for my day off from nursing school. My whole family, my mom, my dad, and I are going to be going to Clingman's Dome in North Carolina up in the Smokies, and I am so excited about it because we're going to be watching the sunrise and I'm going to be vlogging a day in my life. We're at Clingman's Dome and we're currently hiking up the paved road. You can't see anything, but it was a pretty windy road up here, but had a good driver. Mom is really cold. You wanna say anything? How you feeling?
Hi. It's so early. What time is it now?
I think it's 6:35 in the morning, so
Yeah.
It's definitely before the sunrise. Obviously, it's very dark. And
this is uphill.
Yep, we're going uphill. Update you guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're actually in North Carolina. We crossed the border just a little bit ago and we're almost at the top of Clingman's Dome. It is so very nice, the perfect temperature. Look at this, I'm in the middle of the Smoky Mountains and we're just gonna go up there and wait for the sunrise. The fog has covered the sunrise view. Just a minute ago, you could see all of that, but now the mountains have disappeared. High quality commentary. Okay, we're headed back from right up there. There's the fuzzy bear.
Hi.
What'd you think?
Oh, it's so cold today, but too bad the sun didn't come up all the way.
Well,
because it's so overcast today.
yeah, but it was still very beautiful. I'm super happy that we came out. She's crazy.
I'm cold.
It is really cold. My hands, they're numb. I was having a hard time getting the camera to start, but there is where, there's where we were.
Yeah.
And there's so many people. I'd say
from this side.
There's about 30 people up there. Wait.
Hey, you two come here. Not this one.
Oh my gosh. There's about 30 people up there watching the sunrise. But
Okay, you can go.
Oh my gosh. Can you stop interrupting? Okay. I'm trying to vlog. Everybody interrupts. I don't know where I left off, but anyways, definitely worth it. Highly recommend Clingman's Dome. We got some really good shots, and it's in the 40s, I think. But yeah, it was way colder up there than when we first started. and my dad is going ahead of us, so I'm going to catch up with you guys a little bit later. Okay, we have an update. My mom says the downhills are great, but uphills are not super fun. Yeah, and the best part is it's only 7:45 in the morning, so we still have our whole day ahead of us.
Can I take a picture of
My
it?
dad is so excited about all these dead trees. He's like, take a picture of those dead trees. We pulled out on this little, what's it called, overlook area, and we're going to be hiking the Spruce Fir Nature Trail. It says it's 0.4 miles, but the estimated time is 45 minutes. So look at the pretty fall foliage behind me too. It's really nice. And here is what the inside of the Spruce Fir Nature Trail looks like, in case you guys are wondering. There's my mom balancing on the ledge. Will she succeed? Wow. That is a pro in action, everybody. Here we see the survival expert looking for bugs. Will there be any bugs under the tree? We'll find out shortly. Oh, the foot. We're really getting into it now. Unfortunately, on this episode of Survival at its Finest, it was a bust to find any bugs. Look at those mushrooms. They're white and they look like mushrooms. Update, the trail did not last 45 minutes.
Yeah, it needs to be correct.
Yeah, it took us 16 minutes and 38 seconds, and that was with stopping to take pictures and everything. Quite honestly, we could have done it a little bit faster. So I don't know why it says 45 minutes on there, but that is definitely not accurate. So if you go to the Spruce Fir Nature Trail, it's really a quick trail. 45 minutes, incorrect. Hi, we got home a little bit ago and I'm gonna be going downstairs to make that pumpkin bread. I'm so excited, and I actually got the inspiration from Jacqueline Brooke. I've never had pumpkin bread before, and I don't know if this is a common dish for fall, but I've never had it, so I'm gonna be making it for my family and we're gonna try it out. Pumpkin bread is currently in the oven. It says it's going to take between 65 and 75 minutes to bake, which is a really long time. So it gives me plenty of time to catch up on reading. We're reading these two books. I've already read this one, but I'm rereading it. And it's amazing how much time you have to actually sit down and read when you're not in school. So I'm just going to take advantage of that and wait for the pumpkin bread to bake. Okay, the pumpkin bread is officially out of the oven, and here's what it's looking like. Doesn't look the prettiest, but it smells really good. So we're gonna use the knife the right way, and I'm gonna cut it. Let's see. It ended up getting done a lot quicker than it said. It was only in the oven for 50 minutes, and it was supposed to be 65 to 75, so. It's really good. It's nice and pumpkin-y, and it tastes like fall with the cinnamon, the nutmeg. Overall, I'd say this recipe is really good. I'll link it down below for you guys in case you want to try pumpkin bread. But I'm gonna eat some more.
That's good. So I see the pan different.
The skirt different.
It's short. Her jean is shorter and longer.
Yeah,
I
it
got
goes
it.
to the knees.
I got it all. I did got it. See, he's always say that after I say it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to stay updated on my nursing school journey, subscribe down below, join the Clairified Creations family, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!